What's up, YouTube? You already know who it is, man. It's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Stop, and I'm back with another video, guys. Hey, y'all see that, man? Y'all see I invested into that microphone. You heard me? So if y'all can hear me and I'm real clear, man, I need y'all to put a microphone down into the comments. But today's video, man, y'all already know, man, we on something different. You know, last video I made, man, one of y'all has jumped in my comments, was like, I thought you had an intake, man. So that's what we be doing today, guys. Man, I'm out here. I got this well, actually it's an intake tubing from Airaid, which allow you to keep your factory air box. So that's what I'll be doing today. I'll be installing that, guys. If any one of you guys out there that have the Airaid Junior, jump into the comments, let me know, man. Do you like it and what you like about it? And if you don't like it, let me know what you don't like about it as well, guys. But yeah, man, as y'all know, man, we getting one step closer to blowing flames out the back. Like I said, man, I got all my pieces. I'm just waiting on them to hit me up and telling me to bring it down there to the shop, man. But yeah, without no further ado, man, we gonna turn this camera around and I show y'all the Airaid, and hopefully we get it installed. It won't take too long, man. So if you're new to the channel, just watching the videos, guys, I appreciate it if you jump down below. Most definitely comment, like, and subscribe to the channel, man. Rock out with your boy, man. We currently at almost 7,000 subscribers, guys. You already know, man. The goal is to get to that 10K. So, man, we're going to most definitely keep doing what we're doing. Y'all most definitely keep doing what y'all doing. Make sure that y'all share the video, you feel me? And, yeah, let's get it going, man. I got this in a little box, man. It's an open box. I actually got it off the marketplace, you know? Actually got it off the marketplace, guys. So, didn't pay too much or nothing for it. But it's brand new. And as y'all see, like I said, you know, it come with the pipe, the filter, a couple of cup things, and some clamps, and the hose. And most importantly, it come with the instructions. So that's what we be doing today, guys. We will be installing this here, man. I will show y'all exactly how I do it. So, man, we can start to get it done. And like I said, man, if any one of y'all out there that have this little setup, man, jump down into the comments, leave me a comment on what made you go with this setup. Me personally, I'm gonna let y'all know what made me go with this setup. I went with this setup, man, originally because you know, a lot of the other ones, you know, you get the cheap ones on Amazon and eBay for like about 80 bucks. And it's just a metal pipe with an all-around filter on it. You know, they sound pretty good, but I just thought to where it's like, you know, this piping. Hold up, we gonna show you. I just figured, you know, that the factory air box, the way that they have it set up, ain't nothing wrong with it. But when it comes down to the intake piping, you know, you do see like all the extras and things of that nature. So I just figured it would be a best fit for me for the price, you know, and it's Airaid. So yeah, man, we gonna go to putting this sucker on, man. So before we do anything, guys, what I want to do, I want to unhook my battery, you know. So we're gonna do that, and I'll cut y'all right back on. All right, y'all. So we done took the battery off. So now what I want to do is come over here and start unhooking these here real quick, guys. Now I couldn't find my flathead screwdriver, so right now your boy just working with what he can, but you actually want to just use a flathead and just unscrew this here. But yeah, guys, yeah, I have several reasons why I went with the Airaid. Like I told y'all, I went with the Airaid because you know, for number one, you get a plastic tubing, and for number two, it was pretty cheap, you know. So and it allowed me to keep the factory box, guys. You know, y'all see like on some of these big expensive cold air intakes, y'all see that they come with the box. So my thought in theory is, um, hell, it's just like the same, you know, it's the same. I could be wrong, but that's just my theory that by keeping this box, you know, I've retained the cool air that's actually coming in from the side fender. So that's one of my reasons, like I said, that I went with it with this setup. But it's my first time, so you know, I don't know if that's a good decision or not. But I will let y'all know, man. Uh, just as soon as I get everything in, get everything all tightened up. Not I done loosen that. So we just gonna unloosen this here one off the throttle body. Uh, unhook this here little piece that's at the bottom, and yeah, I cut you guys back on. All right, y'all. So y'all can clearly see we done unloosened this band. This is what is this band clamp, and I actually just this here you just gonna just pull back your vacuum line. You're just gonna pull that back. Now for it to sit, guys, you just wanna lift up on it, and bear with me. I got one hand right now, so you just wanna lift up on it, and just gonna get it up out the way, just like that. So now we have that. Now I want to show y'all, you know, the difference. Show y'all the difference in piping. Y'all can see that one. That's the OEM. And as y'all can see this one. So went from, you know, this to this, guys. I done put this little piece up in here. This is actually for the air. So next what I want to do is I'm gonna have to grab my chair to actually get back there and unlock this here. Pull that one out. We're gonna put this new tube on and slip this here over that there like that. Now y'all can see, man, I done put it back together. Well, actually putting it back together. But when you're doing that, guys, you actually want to make sure you got the top sitting right up on here. So yeah, we went ahead and double checked everything for us over here. We got everything sitting up on here real good. I just have to tighten them down. I'm gonna swap this filter out, then I'm gonna start it for you guys. But yeah, man, that look way better. I mean, it look much cleaner under here compared to, you know, this old one over here, guys. Compared to this one, it's a lot. You see the actual air tube. You see the actual air tube. You know, it would have been straight had they wouldn't have had like all this here and that there right there. But like I say, I know the GM engineers, they know what they're doing. But I just think this film gonna give way better, more airflow. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna tighten it down. I'm gonna put my cover back on top, and we're gonna put the Can filter in there, and I'm gonna start it up. See what she do. See if she give me any engine code lights, anything like that. Let it warm up. Step on the gas. You know, see if I hear different in sound, and yeah, I'm gonna take y'all on the ride. But that'll probably be on the next video. But for right now, man, stay tuned. Let me get everything buttoned up, and I will turn you guys back on. And like I said, hey, I got that microphone, guys. So if the audio is real good, I appreciate it, man. Y'all jump down into the comments and leave a microphone if the audio real good. If the audio trash, hey, just put an L down there. And if y'all like this Airaid piping, y'all put a W in the comment. W, chat. And yeah, Sersky, man, we're gonna wrap up everything and we're gonna turn you guys right back on. Let's go. All right, man. So I done finished everything, guys. Got everything all installed nice and good and stuff. Hook my battery back up. Now, lastly, what I want to do is slap this cover back on. Y'all know once we put that cover back on, anytime we put that cover back on, y'all know it's a wrap. You feel me? Y'all know it's a wrap when that cover go back on. So yeah. Put this where it need to be. And yeah. Y'all see, man, we got the cover on. Airaid up in here looking nice and tight. So now what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna start this motor. That's right. We're gonna start this engine and see what's going on. All right, so I got the key. As y'all can see, we got the old one now. Man, look at the old one. And I'm gonna do a little comparison. The new one actually give it a more clean look. And this the old one. So I'm gonna just set the old one like this. So right there, you got the old one. As you can see, you got the tubing, got the actual pipe, and all sorts of compartments. Well, over here on the new one, as you see, we just got tubing straight to the throttle body, straight to the air box, no type of extra bends. So like I said, guys, if any one of y'all have this Airaid kit, man, please jump into the comments. Let me know what you like about it. Do you even like it? Yeah, y'all let me know, guys. As far as this trash, so we just gonna get rid of this here. And yeah, that's to the trash can. So if anybody out there that need a factory intake, pull up on me. I got you. But yeah, we actually about to start it, guys, and see if we get any error lights or things like that. So I'm gonna bring y'all on a ride with me. So y'all can see we in the truck now. First start, we're gonna see if it needs to do a reline. Let me see. I'm gonna walk to the back. I'm gonna walk back up front. And yeah, y'all can see everything, no leaks, everything cool. So what I'm gonna do is I could definitely most hear it. What I'm not hearing is like that little whistle sound, but I could definitely most hear it, guys. So there you have it, man. There you have it, guys. Got the Airaid up in here. Gonna suck all that air coming from over there, guys. So yeah, leave me a comment. Let your boy know, hey, what y'all think. All right, y'all. So there it is, man. I done gave y'all the full install of the cold air intake. Yeah, we done started up, hit the gas for y'all a couple of times, and yeah. Man, so what I need y'all to do, man, is jump down to the comments, leave me a comment, let me know what you think about it. My next video I will make with an update, you heard me? I will update y'all, you know, what I like about it. And even if I like it, guys, you know, so y'all stay tuned for that, man. But we most definitely gonna get up out here. It's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Style logging on, signing off. You already know, positive live spray, positive vibes, guys. So until the next video, man, we gonna see y'all. Peace.